talk a little bit about hurry up and relax. There's a lot of people talking about ritual all over social media, and yet they are not necessarily honoring the ancient rituals of matcha. There's nothing wrong with hurrying up to relax, but when you are going to drink a 450-year-old ritual of matcha, and then what you do is you take your whisk, and you're basically using battery power to make your matcha, and you're wondering why you're not relaxed. I don't know. Why aren't you relaxed? Why are we all hurrying up to relax so much? That's one way to do your matcha. I like to do the old-fashioned way of doing matcha. That's because I need the ritual of relaxing. So I have to force myself to not use the whisk, but to do the actual ceremony of matcha. And I have to make myself relax because that is what a ritual is. It is a slowing down to ritualize through mindfulness. I will prepare my area. I will light a candle. I'll light my incense. As you're really slowly managing your mind to relax, what you're doing is you're actually letting your nervous system chill. So we're not going to use batteries and we're not going to use electricity. So what you want to do is you want to move your wrist as a W. So the hurry up and relax ritual we have currently in America is to go get a big old Starbucks, get in your car, go through the drive-thru and then go to work and work really hard. And we wonder why we're burning out. The whole point of tea is to slow the heck down and to get your nervous system to learn that it's time to relax and it's okay to relax. You can't enjoy 1 cup of tea a day. Your life is too busy. And if you have to plug in and use electricity to ritualize your 1 cup of tea a day, your life is too electrified. That is a way to unwire your matcha ceremony and actually have a real ritual of relaxation.